Hi friends, good morning. Today's topic in MBGKVVRS Coaching Institute is Kannada language classes. I don't want to tell it as Kannada spoken classes as this contains to read Kannada, to write Kannada and also to speak Kannada. So all these three things it will involve. So it is Kannada language classes. So child will be made to read, write and also speak. Speaking will be there because Kannada is the mother tongue. And these course can also be taken by professionals who are in IT professionals who are in Bangalore for a long time and don't know how to speak Kannada. Write, it is their option to learn writing and reading. Spoken classes can be taken by them. People who doesn't know Kannada and want to learn Kannada of any age group from young age to old age can join this classes, Kannada language classes. And for this, there is also one song in Kannada, one nice song. So I thought I'll tell this song. This is from movie. This is a movie acted by Dr. Rajkumar and Kalpana. This is Karulina Kare. Movie is Karulina Kare, and music director is M. Rangrao, and lyrics is Sri R.N. Jai Gopal, and film is directed by great director Sri Putana Kanagal sir. So now going to the song. The song is I Kannadada Aksharamale. A A A A ಈ ಕನ್ನಡದ ಅಕ್ಷರಮಾಲೆ ಅ ಅ ಅಮ್ಮ ಎಂಬುದೇ ಕಂದನ ಕರುಳಿನ ಕರೆಯೋಲೆ ಈ ಕನ್ನಡದ ಅಕ್ಷರಮಾಲೆ ಅಮ್ಮ ಎಂಬುದೇ ಕಂದನ ಕರುಳಿನ ಕರೆಯೋಲೆ ಆ ಆ ಆಟ ಊಟ ಓಟ ಕನ್ನಡ ಒಂದನೇ ಪಾಠ ಆಟ ಊಟ ಓಟ ಕನ್ನಡ ಒಂದನೇ ಪಾಠ ಕನ್ನಡ ಭಾಷೆ ಕಲಿತವಗೆ ಜೀವನವೇ ರಸದೂಟ ಈ ಕನ್ನಡದ ಅಕ್ಷರಮಾಲೆ ಅಮ್ಮ ಎಂಬುದೇ ಕಂದನ ಕರುಳಿನ ಕರೆಯೋಲೆ ಈ ಇದ್ದವರೆಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲದವರಿಗೆ ನೀಡಲೇಬೇಕು ಈ ಈಶ್ವರನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂದು ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಇಡಬೇಕು ಇದ್ದವರೆಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲದವರಿಗೆ ನೀಡಲೇಬೇಕು ಈಶ್ವರನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂದು ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಇಡಬೇಕು ಈ ಕನ್ನಡದ ಅಕ್ಷರಮಾಲೆ ಅಮ್ಮ ಎಂಬುದೇ ಕಂದನ ಕರುಳಿನ ಕರೆಯೋಲೆ ಉಪ್ಪು ತಿಂದ ಮನೆಗೆ ಎರಡು ಬಗೆಯ ಬೇಡ ಊರಿಗೆ ದ್ರೋಹ ಮಾಡಿ ಬದುಕಲೆಣಿಸಬೇಡ ಉಪ್ಪು ತಿಂದ ಮನೆಗೆ ಎರಡು ಬಗೆಯ ಬೇಡ ಊರಿಗೆ ದ್ರೋಹ ಮಾಡಿ ಬದುಕಲೆಣಿಸಬೇಡ ಈ ಕನ್ನಡದ ಅಕ್ಷರಮಾಲೆ ಅಮ್ಮ ಎಂಬುದೇ ಕಂದನ ಕರುಳಿನ ಕರೆಯೋಲೆ ರುಡ್ರು ಎ ಐ ಭಾರತ ಮಾತೆಗೆ ಜೈ ಓ ಒಂದೇ ತಾಯಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ನಾವು ಒಂದುಗೂಡಬೇಕು ಒಂದೇ ತಾಯಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ನಾವು ಒಂದುಗೂಡಬೇಕು ಓದಿ ಕಲಿತು ದೇಶದ ಸೇವೆಗೆ ನಿಲ್ಲಬೇಕು ಈ ಕನ್ನಡದ ಅಕ್ಷರಮಾಲೆ ಅಮ್ಮ ಎಂಬುದೇ ಕಂದನ ಕರುಳಿನ ಕರೆಯೋಲೆ ಔ ಅಹ ಅಹ ಆಹಾ ಆಹಾ. So the song ends like this. The song ends like this. This is, as you all know, in Kannada there are 49 alphabets. So Aksharamale, it is the total alphabets in Kannada. It is called as they have a nice name called Aksharamale. In that, Swaragalu and Vyanjanagalu is there. Swaragalu is from I, E, it is same as Hindi. So I, E to Ammaha, I, E to Au, it is Swaragalu. Anuswara, Visarga, that is Ammaha. So here what they have taken, they have not taken the Vyanjanagalu, they have taken only Vyanjanagalu is Katu Ksha, Katu Ma is Vargiya Vyanjanagalu, and Yatula is Avargiya Vyanjanagalu. So I don't want to confuse all this by saying all this. So what they have taken in the song is Swaragalu, that is Atu Aha. So we say in English, we say A for apple, B for bat, and in Kannada we say A for rasa, A for ata, like that we say. In this song, what they have the one Niti Pata they have told. Niti Pata means moral, one line, one advice, good advice they have given for one letter. It is very nicely written, and it is very famous song. So now coming to the Kannada translation, English translation. ಈ ಕನ್ನಡದ ಅಕ್ಷರಮಾಲೆ, the 4 letters a I E start from ಅಕ್ಷರಮಾಲೆ start from that. ಕನ್ನಡದ ಅಕ್ಷರಮಾಲೆ. ಅಮ್ಮ ಎಂಬುದು ಕಂದನ ಕರುಳಿನ ಕರೆಯೋಲೆ. The child calls first as Amma. So A for Amma they have told, and A for Ata, even though the child plays Ata Uta Kannada Vandane Pata, the child plays, eats and runs. Kannada should be the priority. And Kannada ಭಾಷೆ ಕಲಿತವರಿಗೆ ಜೀವನವೇ ರಸದೂಟ. Whoever learns Kannada, it is very as feast for the person who learns Kannada. ಇದ್ದವರೆಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲದವರಿಗೆ ನೀಡಲೇಬೇಕು. People who has money should it is not may give. They say, the poet says, Sri Aran Jayagopal sir says that they should give the person. This is in the young child but the song is between two elderly ladies, Kalpana madam and another actor, I don't know. But if we tell for young children, the young age, if we tell all this, they learn good virtues, good values at the young age. So people who doesn't have money, people who has money should give money to the people who doesn't have money. And ಈಶ್ವರನಲ್ಲೂ ಎಂದು ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಇಡಬೇಕು. So believe in Ishvara, believe in Lord Shiva. ಈಶ್ವರ. ಉಪ್ಪು ತಿಂದ ಮನೆಗೆ 2 ಬಗೆಯ ಬೇಡ. That means we should be truthful. We should be truthful to who has put uppu tinda mane means we should be truthful to person who put feed us, who give food for us. We should be truthful to them. We should not cheat them. ಉಪ್ಪು ತಿಂದ ಮನೆಗೆ 2 ಬಗೆಯ means ದ್ರೋಹ ವಿಸೇನು, that they had 2 ಬಗೆಯ ಬೇಡ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಊರಿಗೆ ದ್ರೋಹ ಮಾಡಿ ಬದುಕಲೆ ಬೆಳೆಸಬೇಡ. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಚೀಟ್ ದ ಸಿಟಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಲೀವ್. ದೆನ್ ರುಡ್ರು ಐ ಭಾರತ ಮಾತೆಗೆ ಜೈ. ಸೊ ಜೈ ವಿ ಟೆಲ್ ಬೋಲೋ ಭಾರತ್ ಮಾತಾ ಕಿ ಜೈ, ನೋ. ಸೊ ಬೋಲೋದ್ ಭಾರತ್ ಮಾತಾ ಕಿ ಜೈ. ಒಂದೇ ತಾಯಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ನಾವು ಒಂದುಗೂಡಬೇಕು. We are all children of Bharat Mata. We should get united. And ಓದಿ ಕಲಿತು ದೇಶದ ಸೇವೆಗೆ ನಿಲ್ಲಬೇಕು. We should read ಓದು. We should read and we should serve the country. So this is the for Kannada Aksharamale, for A for apple, B for bat, or A for rasa. Instead of that, in the song they have given this explanation. So if there are any mistakes in the song, please forgive me. So this is about the song and its English translation. Um, so please join for Kannada language classes, whether it is students or professionals or housewives who want to learn Kannada. It will be taught, the period will be in 1 month. I taught in my offline classes. I taught in 1 month I taught to read Kannada for first standard student and fifth standard student. So they didn't know, since due to Corona they didn't know how to read, even it is fifth standard or fifth standard. So I taught from the basics, and they were able to read Kannada by the end of 1 month. So in 3 months, maybe you can, if you dedicate yourself to seriously, whether it is adult or whether it is child, if you dedicate the time, then definitely you can learn Kannada. So please join MBGKVRS Coaching Institute for learning for to learn Kannada. Thank you.